Good morning, ma'am. I'm Ed Maria. So
Good
I'll be
morning.
your nurse for today. Can you please state your name, age, and birthday?
Ellen Reyes po in September 15, 1967. Age 57 po.
Can I check po yours? Okay. Today I'll be assessing your peripheral vascular system. So there will be a time where I will touch, feel, and check your body. Okay na po ba yan?
Opo.
Ah, pwede na po kayong pumiga ng comfortable. Um, if I may ask po, do you have any past history of heart condition,
Wala po.
hypertension? Do you exercise regular po?
Opo.
Do you smoke po or uh,
Sabi po.
nag-iinom po ng alcohol? Okay. So now, I will inspect your arms and legs for unusual tenderness and swelling. So everything's normal naman po, no possible sign of edema and unusual tenderness. So next po, I will check your pulse on the wrist and on the ankles. So your pulse pressure feels normal naman po. So next, I'll be assessing the circulation of your fingers and toes. Um, there magkakaroon po ng konting pressure sa pag-press po sa inyong mga fingers. Okay lang po ba?
Okay.
Okay, so the refill time is within normal range naman po. So next, I'll be assessing for swelling, fluid retention in your calves if there are indentation and swelling kapag po pinrest yung skin malapit po sa inyong mga ankles. So everything's normal naman po, no signs of edema and tenderness. So lastly, I'll be assessing your skin for color, texture, and temperature using the back of my hand. Please stay. So your skin looks healthy naman po. You can now sit down na po. So that ends our assessment for peripheral vascular function, ma'am. So if you have any questions, pwede po kayo magtanong.
Wala naman po.
Naiintindihan naman po ba lahat ng ginawa po natin?
Opo.
Thank you po.